Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to paint your deck. This video is for you if you're looking to paint your deck, regardless of whether it's a brand new deck or whether it's an older deck with old coatings that might be flaking or peeling. The preparation for these can be slightly different and we'll go through that during the video, but for the purposes of this, we'll be using a new deck. Start by giving it a brush. Protect any plants or grass with a dust sheet, then pour your cleaner directly onto your decking. With your brush, scrub the deck to remove all the dirt and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. To wash it off, it's best to use a pressure washer, but a hose will do. Work from one end of the decking to the other in one continuous motion and your deck is clean. Only when the deck is completely dry can you then get started with the paint. If you're looking to rescue an old tired deck with potentially flaking and peeling coatings, then the preparation is slightly different. You need to use a stiff brush to get off the majority of the flaking coating before cleaning it with Ronseal's Decking Cleaner Reviver. Once it's dry, you're good to go. Ronseal's Ultimate Protection Decking Paint has loads of great features. It rescues old tired decks with coatings that are flaking and peeling, and it gives newer decks bright bold colours to improve your garden. But either way, it gives great protection that lasts all year long. Start by giving it a really good stir. Choose a thick brush, dip into your paint and take 3 or 4 boards at a time to avoid overlap marks. After 4 hours, it'll be ready for its second coat. After 48 hours, it will be good to use. Once you finish your job, you need to make sure you clean your tools. And with these products, it's easy. Just wash your brushes in warm soapy water and you're done. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.